guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with MJ. I'm MJ and this is how you can make your own safety pin DIY jeans. Alright, so this is the easiest tutorial to follow. Just remember to have patience and you will get stuck a couple times. The safety pins I use are in the description box. Please use the link. That's my Amazon affiliate link. So I get commission sales based on the sales. Alright, so moving forward, I use loose fitting jeans because I feel it gives an overall better look to what I was going for, and just for safety precautions for myself. And I just don't like tight jeans anymore, so I just felt like this would be better with loose fitting jeans. If you feel me, you feel me. So as you can see, I already did one side and I'm just going to start the other side. And how I did it was the seam of the jeans at the side, you know, that line right there, that's where I lined up my safety pins. So here's a closer look. Remember to take your time because all you got is time. This is not a race. Like, it's a marathon. Okay, take your time, lap by lap. A few tips: make sure that your pins are aligned. You want it to be uniformed. You don't need to be a pro to do this. Anybody could do this. It just takes patience. And also make sure the loops that you're taking to put the pins through are really small, because that gives the fringe type of look when you shake your jeans and the pins are moving, versus when you do a big loop, it wouldn't move that much. It would be pretty much stiff. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the time lapse, because I know for myself, I hate videos when there's too much talking and then it's really slow after you got the gist of it. So we're just gonna speed it up. All right, now we at the end. Y'all don't know how excited I was when I was at this point in this journey, okay? I was too hyped, and let me tell you, the feeling of satisfaction is unbelievable. If you're still here watching, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1,000, as you can see, but I also need the watch time hours to go up. So please make sure you watch till the end. This is just an outfit I put together when I did it, and I think this outfit is really cute for a date night look. So just know I will be wearing this outside of the house. I just put it together for some inspo, just to put the all the silver and the denim and the white all together to give it a look. But this is it. What y'all think? Again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please be sure to subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.